This thoughtful story teaches us why cleaning spills quickly helps keep everyone safe and comfortable. One quiet afternoon, a little girl named Ava was helping her grandmother bake muffins in the kitchen. Warm smells filled the house while soft music played nearby. The kitchen counters held bowls, wooden spoons, and baking trays ready for the afternoon baking activity. Ava loved helping in the kitchen. She carefully carried ingredients from the counter to the table while her grandmother mixed the muffin batter nearby. Soon, Ava picked up a small cup of milk and carefully walked toward the counter. But as she turned around, her elbow gently bumped the edge of the table. The cup tipped sideways. Milk splashed softly onto the kitchen floor. Ava stopped immediately. For a moment, she stared quietly at the spill spreading slowly across the tiles. Her grandmother looked over calmly. "It's okay," she said gently. "Accidents happen." Ava felt a little embarrassed. She stepped backward carefully to avoid the spill. Then she quietly asked, "What should I do?" Her grandmother smiled warmly. "The safest thing is cleaning spills right away." Together, they walked toward the cleaning cupboard. Ava carried a towel carefully while her grandmother brought a mop. Back in the kitchen, Ava noticed something important. The milk had spread farther across the floor than she first expected. The shiny tiles looked slippery now. "If someone walked through quickly," Ava said softly, "they could slip." Her grandmother nodded kindly. "That's why cleaning spills quickly matters." Ava carefully placed the towel over part of the spill, while her grandmother slowly mopped the rest of the floor. Together, they wiped the kitchen tiles until the floor became dry and safe again. Afterward, Ava carefully checked the floor once more. The kitchen looked clean and organized again. Her grandmother smiled proudly. "You handled the problem very responsibly." Ava smiled softly. At first, she had felt worried after spilling the milk, but now she felt calm and helpful instead. Soon, they continued baking together. Ava mixed ingredients carefully while her grandmother placed the muffin tray into the oven. As they waited for the muffins to bake, Ava sat at the kitchen table, thinking quietly about what happened earlier. Before today, she had never thought much about small spills. But now she understood something important. Even small messes can become safety problems if people ignore them. A little later, the muffins finished baking. Warm, sweet smells filled the kitchen again. As Ava carried napkins to the table, she noticed a few drops of water near the sink area. This time, before anyone even spoke, Ava grabbed a towel and wiped the water away immediately. Her grandmother smiled proudly from across the kitchen. "You remembered." Ava grinned happily. Cleaning spills now felt like an important, helpful habit. As evening sunlight slowly entered through the kitchen window, Ava enjoyed a warm muffin beside her grandmother at the table. The kitchen felt peaceful, safe, and cozy again. And from that day on, whenever Ava noticed water, juice, milk, or other spills at home or school, she tried much harder to clean them carefully before someone could slip or trip. Because Ava learned something important. Helpful safety habits protect everyone sharing the same space.